I'm Linda Stanfield, Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Chandler, Arizona, and I'm here to help you today with how to fix your garbage disposal when a reset button is not working. First, let me share a few items that you may want to have handy before you get underneath the kitchen sink. Go ahead and get a small flashlight, your Allen wrench that came with the disposal, and a small pocket mirror. All three of these items will help you go ahead and get that fixed. Before you get started, the first thing you want to do is unplug your disposal. Make sure you're safe and unplug that. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and use your flashlight. Look inside there. The reason that the reset button normally is not allowing you to use it is because something's jammed in the blades. And so you want to see if you can find anything. If so, don't put your hands in there, but take a long pliers and pull out some of the bigger items that you can see and allow that to be free. Next, what you want to do is go underneath your disposal and find that area where you put in your Allen wrench. At that point, go ahead and put in your Allen wrench and turn that back and forth, back and forth. Do that 3 or 4 times. That will really help loosen up that blade that's jammed. Then you want to go ahead and touch that reset button and reset it back in. Put your disposal back together with the plug. You want to go ahead and plug it back in, turn it on, and that is how you fix your garbage disposal when the reset button isn't working. I'm Linda Stanfield. Thank you so much for watching.